Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm vlogging. I'm here with Hope. She always does this to me like
all the fucking time. I just hate her.
So we're here at this place. I'm gonna show you around. It's my sister's baby shower, surprise baby shower, and her birthday today. She's turning 30 and we're here. We're trying to make miracles happen and I'm so excited, so I'm gonna take you around. Let's go. Go to the kitchen and then we'll do it. So this is the front of the house. So pretty, right? Like stunning. So this is her fiance's parents' house. Fiance, actually they're practically married. This is mommy. This is the house. How stunning. So look at this whole cupcake cake like sweetie setup. Like how beautiful. There's cupcakes over there. There's a whole cake for little Koloko. How cute is that? Like that is stunning. And there's another cake for her birthday, but obviously like that one's away. That's gonna be a surprise. And then we have more cupcakes. More cupcakes. We got the gifts over there. Are the gifts staying here?
I think so.
Then we're gonna have to get the one from upstairs. And now look at this table set up, you guys. Like, so that's her chair with the balloons. How beautiful are these balloons? How gorgeous is this? Look at that. Like we're still setting up, but this is stunning, right? And then there's a whole DJ set up. It's just a video. And then we got the pool area and like there's a balloon in the pool. Like it's really pretty. And this weather's supposed to hold. So this is the kitchen and they're working. They're still really busy working. So that's her birthday cake. How cute is that? You'll see her properly when it's like in better lighting, but the crown is really bad. Okay. So we're trying to like coordinate how we're gonna surprise her and everything like that. But there's more food here. Look at this house, you guys. It's stunning. This is the backyard. There's a whole patio over there. There's the whole setup. That's where everything is happening. There's a little pond over here. Like, this is real stuff. There's koi fish. Okay, you guys. So, he's at like a little shopping center close by.
He's like at a big shopping center close by.
And he's waiting for us to tell him to come, and I just told him to come, and because people keep arriving and I don't need anyone spoiling it with the whole cars and everything, so we're telling him to come and we're all nervous and everyone is waiting there. Everyone is literally standing. It's more people. Is there someone pulling up? I heard a car.
Okay, yes.
Is this them?
There. Okay, go. Now go. One.
They're supposed to. Okay, go quickly. Don't do it. Okay, you guys, so the baby shower is officially over. Look at Madam Party, Samu.
Hey guys, I'm tired.
Look at her, she's so tired. She's big-ish. Look at her, she's my sister with the tiara. So it's the end of the night. We're trying to pack. Like, I should have showed you the boot before we closed it, but I didn't because I'm really bad at this job. But is it? Oh, and Hope sister's here to pick her up. Samu, let's walk Hope to her car. You guys, I know this lighting is bad, but let me just show you all the gifts she got.